How to install iPhone keyboard on Redmi 13. So first of all, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar. So in the search bar, click on green Apple keyboard. Now install this keyboard. Now after installing this keyboard, click on open. Now enable it in settings. So tap on this option and tap on turn on, and then from the pop-up click on OK. Now again click on OK to confirm, and after that go back and click on switch input methods, and from here select green Apple keyboard. Now you can use the Apple keyboard. So you can see the keyboard is now changed. So that's how you can install iPhone keyboard on Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.